What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome to another signal analysis video from Forex for Beginners. It is here truly Pablo Pips Effects. And if you're not already a subscriber, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified as soon as we upload another analysis video such as these. Alright, and today we'll be looking at GBP JPY. So all of these signals are sent out in our Telegram channel, guys. So if you're not already a member, go ahead and check out the links in the description. It is totally free for the next 2 weeks. We started this earlier this month. Alright, been doing it for about a month now. So the next 2 weeks it will be transitioning to a paid service. But no worries, it's only $20. But I do know that some of you will love to take opportunity of this kind of moment. So if you want to grab some pips, now is the time. But as mentioned in our previous video, we'll be taking a look at GBP JPY. Alright, and our signals are sent out on the 30-minute chart. Alright, and this was this Monday, last Monday. Alright, and it was a buy signal. Okay, so right off the bat, let's go ahead and take a look as to where our signal was generated. So right now we see that Monday was 16. Okay. Alright, so Monday was the 16th, so right here I have the period of the 16th highlighted within the purple rectangular as usual. Alright, so we're going to take a look at the price where the signal was generated. So this signal was generated at price 156.880. Okay, and it was a buy signal. So let's go ahead and see how that signal performed. Alright, so right here on the 16th, let's take a look for 156.880, 6.880. Okay, here it is. 881. Okay, let's go with 881. Alright, so we went ahead and highlighted the price there, 156.881. That's where our entry would have been for that buy position. Alright, and TP1, let's go ahead and take a look at TP1 just to see if we take profit. Alright, so TP1 was 157.019. Okay, TP1 was definitely smashed, obviously. Alright. Find it. I'm gonna go to the right there just to be, some approximate there. But TP1 was definitely smashed, guys. One thing about our signals, it sometimes can take anywhere between 24 to 48 hours. I mean, sometimes it do take a while to close out, but more than likely they do close out in profit always, if not at least TP1 for sure. So we see TP1 was definitely smashed. Alright, and as you can see, the period extended all the way over to, let me see, 16, boom 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 boom. This was at 8. Alright, so TP1 was smashed sometime at 8, and then TP2 went ahead and got hit the next day. Alright, at 157.424, 157.434 again. Alright, let's put it right there. So TP2 was definitely smashed right there, following the next day. So this is one of the things I want you guys to take note. Sometimes your signals do take a little time. You got to be patient with these market, guys. You got to be patient, but trust Pablo Pips Effects, man. Signals are accurate. So TP2 was definitely smashed, and TP3 158.058, 158.0. Oh damn, wow, TP3 was just obliterated. So TP3 was also smashed, guys, and just look at what happened right after, man. Just look at what happened right after. This is crazy. Look at those pips, man. I know y'all eating in this group. Don't lie to me, man. Don't lie to me. Man, we're catching pips all day, but real quick, guys, I want to wrap up this video. So, man, all TP smash, man, for GBP JPY, man, on Monday, man. Monday morning, man, y'all be eating pips, be on my back, man. You ain't speaking up, man, but that's cool, that's cool. GBP JPY, the next signal will be XAU USD on the 30-minute chart. This will be an interesting one, guys. So, until next time, stay safe, check out that video. I'm out.